Hello again. Why not another video? I mean, why not? So we're going to do a little talk about distributors, and essentially these are complicated, overly complicated, and we're going to delve into it a little bit. But essentially, if a car looks wonderful, everything is just like terrific, and you just need to ask the owner, did you look at the advance weights? So we'll delve into that real quick here because it's a little bit difficult to get to them, and it's just something that's really needs to be looked at because they wear out big time. All right, so let's delve into a little bit right now. Well, let's be fair with everyone. This is a distributor pretty much complete without the cap, naturally. You can sort of see the internals on this. This is for a single distributor car. We are going to be working on the dual distributor. So this has the rotor that's a two-plane so that you can have all 12 working off one distributor. We're going to have a single plane rotor and all that sort of stuff. This has 4 points. The other has 2. Blah blah blah. But essentially, it's the same casting, same weight system, and that's what's important here. We're really trying to look at things that are hidden. You know, if you don't see it, it's going to be okay, right? So anyway, just want to give you a little bit of a look at what a distributor looks like before it's disassembled, because the 350s are disassembled. Okay, let's get on with the show. Okay, Bob Vintage Lambo. I won't get too detailed into this right now, but Morelli distributor, it's not quite the same as what you would see on American cars, because when this weight is thrown out, you have a spring assembly that compresses, and that's how this works. Now, over that spring, you'll have this little piece here, and this is what actually turns for the advance. So these are fully mechanical advance, and these weights wear out. Every car, no matter how it looks, if they didn't pay attention to take the distributor apart, they're worn out. So what we're going to try and do is see if we can repair these, and if not, there are some in Europe, I believe, quite costly. We'll see what we have to do, but you can see it's oblong here, and then where the spring goes in, it's oblong, and where the shaft comes out, that's worn away. So there's 3 things on this that we need to take care of, and so that is the task at hand. How would you do it? Okay, next area of repair, Bob at Vintage Lambo, is the drum, and the weights run inside this drum. So when you have the distributor and you just see the top here, this is all hidden inside. No one ever really looks at it because it's not easy to take apart. So you can imagine that these are pretty worn out because of lack of attention. Now, if I can just put this together a little bit here. This is the pin. This rides inside the weight. When the weight comes out, you have a spring here. So this, you can see the tip on this has some wear on it, flat spot. And then when you look at the drum, steel drum, do you see the divot right there? That's from this hitting. So we need to weld that up and then grind it smooth. And of course, there's 2 weights. Let's see. Whoa, 2 divots. So that's another task that we need to do on getting this distributor back up to spec. Okay, fresh from the TIG welder. And you can see the divots are filled in. A little work on the outside here. And on this one, clean on the outside. We have a little that we need to grind on the inside with a stone. So this is going to work out really good.